Hello everyone. As in the last episode, Sahil told us about the journey of 2024. Let us continue with the Vikas. Vikas will tell us about the infrastructure of India in 2024.
As my friend Sahil had said about most of the events in 2024, let me conclude some. Infrastructure and connectivity of India in 2024. With the ambitious projects like Bharatmala and Sagarmala, our road, ports, highway, transforming the nation into logistics. The expansion of high-speed railway, modernized airport and seaport help to travel very fast in short time. Gati Shakti program is for the infrastructure, ensuring planning, faster development and economic growth.
It's amazing. Now tell us something about International Summit of 2024.
India hosted several high profile events, including the BRICS summits and Global Renewable Energy Summits, where it led discussion on innovation, sustainability, and digital transformation.
It's incredible. Now tell us about Bangalore Tech Summit in 2024.
Bangalore Tech Summit in 2024, a big summit for India, with unprecedented success, reframing has its position global hopes for technology and innovation, logical with them unbounded. The summit brought together participate 51 countries, including the top executive, policymaker, entrepreneur, researcher, and technology ethicists. The year 2024 marked a new beginning, employment generation, with Make in India to within initiatives like Make in India 2.0 and increase key sectors such as manufacture, technology, innovation, and green energy, infrastructure development, create a million of jobs for our youth and workforce.
Now Vikas, please tell us about the economic business of Rajasthan in 2024.
The Economic Time Rajasthan Business Summit and Award 2024 has collaboration among key stakeholders, including the government official, industry leader, and entrepreneur. The primary focus on cultivating and partnership that will the properly growth of Rajasthan and key industry. Additionally, the Rajasthan business events serve as a vital platform service, including economic policy and underscoring the government.
Would you like to tell us about the Great Indian Retail Summit of 2024?
Gathering foremost in the retail industry along with the high power leader, and this summit are represented by a platform for front running the producing the primary basic of this industry while differentiate to participants from across the country. Thank you.
Thank you, Vikas, for telling us about the events of 2024.